What's going on, everybody? Jonathan Rain here from Passion Built. Today's video is brought to you by motopartsource.com, your online source for high quality used parts for your first or second generation Suzuki SV650. Let's get today's video started. So recently I acquired this 2005 Suzuki SV650S to part out on motopartsource.com. When I got it home, I realized that the Yoshimura pipe that was installed on it looked a little bit different than the Yoshimura pipe installed on my 2008 model. So I did a little bit of research, and today's video I'm going to be showing you hopefully some sound differences between the two and just appearance differences, so you guys can get a better view and hopefully be able to select which Yoshimura exhaust system would be best for your bike. So let's get today's video started. Alrighty, so to get started with this comparison video, we're going to go off of the appearances of these first. So this one right here is the TRS. This pipe is triangular in shape, has no stamping or badging on the end cap of it, but it has a nice Yoshimura badge right on the side, as well as some Yoshimura badging on the hanger and on the hardware cover as well, actually. I think that's a very nice touch from Yoshimura. Going over to mine, I have the Yoshimura RS-3 model. This one is oval in shape, has the nice stamping on the end cap, has a spot for a baffle, has another spot where the stamping is on the side as well on the hanger and on the hardware. So both of these systems are pretty straightforward to install. Just like any other slip-on for these bikes, you do have to cut your factory exhaust on, and then this system just bolts on up. But let's get to the reason why you guys are really here, to see which Yoshimura exhaust system stands out to you: the Yoshimura TRS or the Yoshimura RS-3. Which one? You decide. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you guys like today's video, hit that thumbs up button and also smash that subscribe button for future SV650 related content. Also, if you haven't already, visit my new website www.motopartsource.com for all your SV650 part needs. Until the next one, I'll see you then. Peace.